boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. We have Daniel Seavey, Dream Crasher, and here on Growing Guitar, it's absolute opposite. I don't want to crash into dreams. I want to give you dreams, help you reach them, and that's why we have these tutorials, guys. So let's focus on this song. We're gonna use a capo on first, absolute best scenario, 4 simple chords with that, and 1 strumming pattern. Let's go into it. With the capo on first, we're gonna learn the chords A, E, B minor, and D. So A first, that goes open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. Speaking of E, oh, sorry for that bad sound. That is the next chord, E, and it goes open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. B minor next, which is a bar chord. You place the index finger like this, crossing 5 strings if you count from bottom, and like this on the 2nd fret. And then you need to add 4th on D, 4th G, and 3rd on B. And finally the D, that will be open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. Alright, so we're gonna work with just downs, and first and foremost I'm gonna mention we have that order through entire song in the way we learn the chords. So A, E, B minor, D will just keep on rolling. All right. So the strumming now is about downs only, and a total of 7 downs for the first chord. That's part 1, and 9 downs for the next chord. So we're gonna look into the transition from A to E, and then we're just gonna use the same principle for the next 2 chords, B minor to D. Okay. So first A. You're gonna play 7 downs. Okay, you're gonna play like this. And then you're gonna go to E and play 9 downs in total, like this. Okay, but you're not gonna play just 7 and 9 downs. You want to separate the bass notes from the higher strings. Alright, so in that way you're gonna have the same kind of rhythm going on here in this song. So if you go back to A now first, the first part of 7 downs will be played on the bass strings mostly. So you're gonna play bass strings first 2 downs, then on the high strings on the 3rd down, then back to bass strings on down number 4 and 5. And then on down 6 you go to the high string, and on the 7th you go back to bass. So you're gonna play the bass for all the downs except from the 3rd and the 6th down. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so then you switch to E now, and again you have the split between bass and top strings. So you're gonna play on the top strings on the 4th and the 7th down. So it will be like on the bass string 1, 2, 3, and on the 4th you go to the high string, and then on 5 and 6 on the bass, then on 7 on the high, and then on the 8 and 9 on the bass. And all together with this E part, it goes like this. And that is the E. So when it comes to all these downs, it's hard to count. You probably will not do that. You just have to learn it and then feel. Feel is very important here. You're gonna play and feel when it's time to switch chords. So you cannot count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, blah, 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 and so on. It will be it will mess up everything. So you're gonna go with feel. So practice slowly, and you're gonna do it like this. Okay? And then you're gonna play the same principles for the B and D. So the B minor is played in the same way as A, 7 downs, and the D in the same way as E, 9 downs. So it goes like this with B minor and D. And that will be 1 round. So together. And that's it, my friends. Daniel's Dream Crasher. Don't let anyone crash your dreams, guys. Catch a guitar and start playing. That's it. So I hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, play tuned.